Cut the roses with scissors. This is a florist's secret trick. I'll show you how to revive a wilted rose when it starts to lose its charm. All you need are scissors and a firm cut. Trim off the entire wilted part of the rose. This will remove any unsightly ends. Not only will your rose instantly look fresher, but it will also gain more volume. Do this with roses and they'll last for months. Dip the rose into melted hot wax and hold it for a moment so the wax coats it evenly. Then take it out and let the excess wax drip off. Place the finished roses in a vase. This creates an everlasting rose that keeps its beautiful look and shape for months. Do it before they wilt. I learned this at a floristry course. Pour water into a vase, then arrange your favorite flowers around an upside-down wine glass. I used tulips. Add a few green accents so the arrangement looks natural and fresh. Place a candle on top of the inverted glass. And that's it. You get a beautiful centerpiece almost for free. Just light the candle and it instantly adds lightness, elegance, and atmosphere to your interior. Never place flowers in a vase this way again. Do you love flowers but hate it when they spread out unattractively in the vase? There's a proven method to achieve a surprising result quickly. All you need is some tape and a little patience. First, trim the flowers to the desired length that fits your bouquet. Take the vase where you want your floral arrangement. The first step is to fill the vase with water. Remember, the tape must be dry. Attach the tape across the top of the vase, marking the diameter, ensuring it is centered. Leave at least a 1 centimeter end at the edges. Then, place strips of tape along the sides, leaving a 1 centimeter gap between them to create a grid of small square openings. Once the grid is ready, place the flowers into the openings. This way, they will be arranged symmetrically, and there won't be any empty spots in the composition. Finally, you can enjoy the stunning result. The flower arrangement will stay in place and look beautiful. Here's how you can revive wilted tulips. The result is almost immediate. After buying them, follow these care tips to keep your tulips looking fresh for up to 2 weeks. All it takes is the right conditions, and your colorful spring bouquet can brighten your home for weeks. Before placing the flowers in a clean, properly disinfected vase, trim the ends of the stems. Use pruning shears or a sharp pair of scissors to avoid damaging the plant. Make the cut at a slight angle to help the tulips absorb water more efficiently. Shorten the stem by about 1/2 to 1 inch. Flowers sold in stores are often cut a few days before they appear on display, which can cause them to dry out and absorb water less effectively. This simple trick not only lifts the flowers up, but also extends their freshness. You can be sure your bouquet will stay vibrant and beautiful for many days to come. This trick will keep your bouquet looking fresh for 2 weeks, or even longer.